So now welcome to this video on exercise 17.4 from your textbook ML Agarwal. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible to happen, can happen, but not certain. So if I come to question number 1, the first part, you are older today than yesterday. This is certain to happen. Certainly. Definitely today you are older than what you were yesterday. The second part, 200 people can sit in a Maruti car. Impossible. Can 200 people sit? Use your common sense. It is impossible to happen. If I come to the third part, a tossed coin will land heads up. Will it have only heads up? It can happen, but it is not certain. It can happen, but not certain. Okay. Fourth part, a die when tossed up shall land up with 8 on top. How can you have 8 on top? A die has only 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how can it have 8? So this is impossible to happen. So like this you complete question number 1, the 5th, 6th and the 7th part. Okay. I move on to question number 2. A coin is flipped to decide whether team starts the game. Which team starts the game? So there must be 2 teams because a coin has head and tail. So if it is tossed, what is the probability that your team will start the game? So it can be either head or it can be tail. So the probability is 1 by 2. Did you understand? Question number 3. There are 6 marbles in a box which is numbered from 1 to 6. That means the marbles are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So the probability is 5 is one number. So it is 1 by, what is the total number of observations? 6. So the probability is 1 by 6. The second part, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So 2 is only one number out of these 6 observations. So again it is 1 by 6. Understood? Now move on to question number 4. A die is tossed once. Die is tossed 1. So what are the numbers which are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is the probability of getting a number less than 3? Less than 3 means 1 and 2. 2 numbers. So 2 divided by the total number of observation which is 6. So it will be 1/3. A prime number. What are the prime numbers? 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So it will be 3 upon 6. So this will be half. A number which is greater than 2. What are the numbers which are greater than 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 numbers which are greater than 2. So it will be 4 by 6. That is 2 by 3. Are you understanding probability? It is simple. The concept will be built up later in class 8 again. So if I move on to question number 5. A box contains 3 defective mangoes and 21 good mangoes. So what is the total number? 24 total, out of which 3 are defective and 21 are good. Then what is the probability of getting a defective mango? 3. 3 out of the total 24. So the probability of getting a defective mango will be 3 by 24, which is 1 by 8. And the second part of getting a good mango. How many good mangoes you have? 21. out of the total, which is 24. So it is 7 by 8. Have you understood? Now the last part of the question, a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Now before we move on to the cards, I'll just give you a simple concept about cards. Please take this down. A pack of 52 cards is divided into 4 suits. So if you divide 52 into 4 suits, that means each suit will be having 13 cards each. 52 divided by 4 is 13. Okay, what are those 4 suits? Spades, which are black in color, hearts, which are red in color, diamonds, which are red in color, and clubs, which are black in color. So you will have 13 spades, you will have 13 hearts, you will have 13 diamonds, and you will have 13 clubs. So how many total black cards you have? You have 26 black cards and you have 26 red cards out of the 52 cards. Now each 13 cards of each suit is divided into an ace, which is marked as A, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, and the numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So how many numbers you have? Number cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So each of these 4 suits, spades, hearts, diamond, clubs, are divided into ace, king, queen, jack, and the number cards. These cards, kings, queens, and jacks, are known as face cards. And these cards, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, these are called number cards. So each suit will have 1 ace, the face cards, which are the king, queen, and jack, and the number cards. This much, if you write down, it is more than enough for your knowledge in class 7. Now, if I move on to question number 6. Red card. What is the probability of getting a red card? Now, if I move back, how many red cards you have? You have the hearts, which are red in color, and the diamonds, which are red in color. So, this is 13 and this is 13. That is 26 out of 52 cards are red. So, the first part will be 26 by 52. That means half of the cards will be red in color. The second, a king. Now every suit will have 1 king. There are 4 suits. So a spade will have 1 king, heart will have 1 king, diamonds will have 1 king, and clubs will have 1 king. So total number of kings will be 4. There are 4 suits. In each suit there is 1 king. So 4 suits will have 4 kings. So the number of getting a king will be 4 out of 52. That is 1 by 13. I hope you have understood. Third is a card of spades. If you want a card of spades, spades which is black in color, how many in number? 13. There are 13 spades. So 13, the probability of getting a spade will be 13 by 52. 13 by 52 means 1 by 4. I hope you have understood this. So go through these questions. This is absolutely a new concept. So first listen to the audio, go through your textbook, and then take down these questions which are solved in the video.